It is the season of sundresses, tank tops, and swimsuits. And if your body's not ready for strapless and backless, what are you waiting for to get that hourglass shape? Dr. Jennessa Iannitelli from Advanced Image Med Spa and Elite Wellness Center is here to help sculpt you sexy. So good to have you back on Sonoran Living. I want to start with high-def lipo. What is that, and what are the health benefits?
Yeah, so, people think of liposuction as strictly a cosmetic procedure. There are a ton of health benefits. That fat is secreting all sorts of bad hormones into your system. So when you take it away, it can reduce blood pressure, it can reduce cholesterol, it can reduce metabolic disease, diabetes. So we're helping health along with helping the way you look about your body.
Yes, so she does high-def lipo right in her clinic, and you have, there's a vibration component to this type of treatment that you say is very beneficial.
Right, so there's a few different types of liposuction out there, and that's important to know. The other three kinds are heat-based. They explode the fat cells. There's some damage to the other tissues. This one causes the least amount of damage, and it also stimulates some collagen, elastin, to get some of those additional skin tightening benefits.
All right, so this is the benefits of having this type of high-def lipo. How does it compare to the traditional way of doing lipo as far as the results go?
So you're going to get smoother contour, less contour irregularities, tighter skin, less scarring and damage for the future, and a much shorter recovery time.
All right, so these are the before and afters. Here is the proof, and you say it's continuing to work over time.
Correct. You're not going to get your full result until about 6 months after the procedure, but you're going to look immediately better, and it's just going to get better over time.
And women who are watching, who are working moms, who are very busy, we don't have the downtime. And you said this is less downtime than traditional lipo.
Correct. You can actually go back to regular activities next day, strenuous lifting, heavy cardio at 2 weeks. That's amazing.
Oh my goodness. All right, and I know after we do this treatment, we want to keep it up. And you at Advanced Image Med Spa, you guys offer a maintenance program. Why is that so important to the outcome?
Well, we want to partner with you. We don't want this to be a one and done, and then you're back into your habits, and then things come back again, and then you need the procedure again. We would rather get you on track with either bioidentical hormone replacement or weight loss peptides and keep you in that zone so that not only are you feeling good during the procedure, but you continue to maintain those results and feel overall better as we go forward.
And here's the best part, you don't have to go anywhere else. You can still see Dr. Iannitelli because you do it all.
We try to be a one-stop shop, and we really want to make sure that we're looking at the person's overall health, not just looking at those aesthetics.
So what does Advanced Image Med Spa and Elite Wellness Center do differently than the competition?
So I'm there all the time. I do the consultations, I see the patients, I make the treatment plans. We're all female staff, so guys like that, women feel more comfortable. We're always trying to stay up on the latest, greatest technology, research. We're constantly doing continuing education, training. I train myself, so that makes me stay up to date. So we really try to be at the best.
Not only do you train yourself, but you train others. You are an expert in this field of beauty and management of just overall well-being.
Correct. And we want our patients to have the best outcomes and the best experience. That's really important to me. So we do put our whole heart and soul into it.
Yes, and you started in the ER and you said, you know what, I wanted to do something even more specific for women. Why was that important to you?
I just saw a lot of women out there that were unhappy with themselves. And, people think that it's just a cosmetic procedure, but it really does help people's overall well-being. And now that we do the wellness as well, we're looking at medical conditions and we're extending life and decreasing complications, all sorts of new health conditions. We're getting rid of those, preventing them, or making them go away and having that person have a much better quality of life.
Look better and feel even better.